So in this next problem, a rectangle is to be inscribed in a right triangle, pictured below. Find the dimensions of the rectangle with the greatest area. So we want greatest area known as maximum area. So let me label the dimensions of the box. Say this is x, so this is x. This is y, this is y. If I look at this box, it's creating right angles in here. And we see that these two lines here must be parallel because of this transversal, both making right angles. So therefore, these corresponding angles must be equal. So I see quite a few similar triangles here that create a relationship between x and y. But first, I'm overthinking it. First, what's the area of the box? The area of the box is x times y. And I want to maximize that area. But how can I write this in terms of only x or y? So let's look at these similar triangles. There's 8 and 6, right? And then let's see. And then this would be, what would this side be right here? Well, if this whole side is 6 and this piece is x, then this piece is 6 minus x. So if I wanted to set up a relationship between these similar triangles, let's see my big triangle. 8 over 6 equals, let me use this small triangle here, y over 6 minus x. So we see there's more than just that proportion you could have set up. So now I am going to cross multiply. I'll have 6y equals 48 minus 8x. And then I can divide by 6. Y equals 8 minus 4/3 x. So now that I know that y equals 8 minus 4/3 x, I can rewrite this area problem in terms of only x. It's x multiplied by 8 minus 4/3 x. So I can distribute the x. A of x equals 8x minus 4/3 x squared. So now, in order to find a maximum, I'm going to take the derivative. A prime of x equals 8 minus 8/3 x. If I want to find my critical values, 0 equals 8 minus 8/3 x, or 8/3 x equals 8. If I multiply by the reciprocal, x is 3 is my critical value. So now that I have my critical value, I can do a sign check here on my x values greater than 0, and I know my critical value at 3. So I know less than 3, checking in this derivative. Let's say I plugged in 1. 8 minus 8/3 is going to be positive, increasing. This is a prime and a. Then if I do a number larger than 3, then we'll have a negative number increase. So we have a maximum area when x equals 3. So what does y equal? Y equals 8 minus 4/3 times 3. Y equals 4. So we know there will be a maximum area. The rectangle will have a maximum area with a maximum area of 12 inches squared, 12 inches squared with dimensions of 3 inches by 4 inches. So keep in mind, these are word problems. We're writing complete sentence answers. We have maximized the area of the box.